Hi, my name is AJ Nidek. I'm with TUTCO SureHeat. Today we're here to talk about our Max air heater. Our Max air heater is available in wattages from 6 to 36 kilowatts, from power from 240 single phase to 480 three phase. No matter what heater you have, this is how you're going to wire it up. Every heater comes with a quick start guide, torque guide. If you lost this, somebody threw it out, all the information's also on the website. Remove your cover. Your S1 and your S2 thermocouple are over here. When you torque this back down, no more than 4 foot-pounds of torque. Your 3 legs of power and your ground are fed through here. No more than 25 foot-pounds of torque should be used. As you tighten that back on, your air line comes in down here. No more than 7 foot-pounds of torque should be used. Once you're done wiring, put the cap back on. That's going to save debris from getting on the thin thermocouple wires on there. Your heater has mounting options on the bottom, and you can thread right there into the exhaust fitting. If you have any further questions, consult our website, give us a call. Thanks for watching.